Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app has permission to capture your screen, because without that nothing will work. Once done, relaunch the meeting client and apply updates so you avoid known bugs. Now open the content you plan to show and select the precise window or entire display from the share dialog. Make sure to tick audio sharing if needed. This prevents muted system sound during playback and saves time later. You now refine how you share. Pick the window for clarity rather than the whole desktop to protect privacy and reduce lag. Once selected, enable system audio when sharing video so attendees hear sound. Otherwise, enable your mic for narration. Also, close heavy background apps that compete for GPU or camera access, because resource contention causes dropped frames and freezes. Make sure your virtual You finish by confirming visuals with a quick attendee check, because real-time feedback catches problems fast. If playback is choppy, reduce sharing resolution or plug into Ethernet to stabilize bandwidth and latency. When the share button won't engage, stop the share, quit the client, and relaunch. Then re-verify OS privacy settings and grant screen recording again. That restart sequence resolves most stubborn failures. If it persists, reboot the machine and retest before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.